The financial markets are at a crossroads, and the landscape is anything but predictable. With U.S. stock futures edging higher this morning, it's clear that investors are digesting a volatile mix of economic signals. Yesterday's decline underscored the uncertainty, driven by a robust labor market and persistent inflationary pressures. The Federal Reserve remains the focal point. Their decision to cut rates by a full percentage point late last year signaled decisive action, but as of now, expectations for additional cuts in 2025 are being tempered. Robust economic data suggests companies continue to hire and maintain pricing power. This strength in the economy, while positive for corporate earnings, complicates the inflation narrative. Geopolitics is adding fuel to the fire. President-elect Trump's renewed talk of tariffs, particularly targeting Denmark over Greenland, has injected a new layer of unpredictability. Tariffs, historically, are double-edged swords. They disrupt supply chains and fan inflationary flames, creating a challenging backdrop for monetary policy. Today's market futures show cautious optimism. The Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq futures are all inching higher, but yesterday's losses remind us of the fragility of sentiment. Longer-term yields are climbing, reflecting both economic resilience and inflation concerns, with the 10-year Treasury yield reaching 4.686%. These rates aren't just numbers. They shape the cost of capital and the valuations of companies across sectors. As investors, we must stay vigilant. The Fed's December meeting minutes, expected later today, could offer critical insights into the central bank's thinking. The stock exchange will be closed tomorrow to honor the legacy of President Jimmy Carter, providing us a moment of pause to reflect on how global and domestic events will shape the year ahead. In these volatile times, it's essential to separate the noise from the signal. Focus on quality, seek opportunities in disruption, and stay disciplined. Because in uncertainty lies the greatest potential for long-term success.